On the first question, part B, what is the range? The range is a set of y values, and your y values are here, which is -6, and the graph goes all the way up to 7. The thing is, you need to include -6 and 7. You didn't include them, but it actually takes on the y value of -6, and it takes on the y value of 7. So you use parentheses, which said you didn't include, and it should have been brackets because we're writing in terms of interval notation. That's part B. On E, we were looking for relative maximas. Relative maxima are not the absolute ones. So your relative maximas are occurring here and here. Those are maximums. You've got you got a greater value here, but this is a relative maxima. So that's going to be the value at 6 at x equal -2 and 6 at x equal +2. And that's it for question 1. Question 6 is, so you got the correct graph. And on question 6, the graph looks like this. It's like that. And it's a function because it passes the vertical line test. And the range is the set of y values. And the first y value is 0 and it goes up. So your range is 0 to +infinity. And it says, is the range -infinity to +infinity? And the answer is no, because you don't have any graph down here. And now question 8. Evaluate the following function. You want to find f of x minus 2. And your f of x is x squared minus 1. And f of x minus 2 would be, plug x minus 2 in for x. So it's going to be x minus 2 squared minus 1. And x minus 2 times x minus 2, that's x squared minus 2x minus 2x plus 4, or x squared minus 4x plus 4. So that's x squared minus 4x plus 4 minus 1, and that's x squared minus 4x plus 3. And I'm not sure what you put. You put just 3. And question 9. Find the domain. Let me go to a new page. Well, let me erase something. Sometimes going to a new page doesn't always work very well. So let me do this. Since we already have done that one. So, sorry for the delay. Okay, whatever question I'm on. Question 9. And it's g of x equals the 6th root, so it's an even root, of 9 minus x. And the domain would be the set of x values that make it defined. And this thing here, what's underneath the radical, you cannot take an even root, square root, 4th root, 6th root of a negative number. 9 minus x must be greater than or equal to 0. You can take the 6th root of 0, it gives you 0. So you need to solve this inequality. That's negative x is greater than or equal to -9. X is less than or equal to 9. So that is what your domain is. And I want that interval notation, so that's going to be -infinity up to 9 with a bracket. Let me see what you put. Yeah, can't be everything. Can't be all numbers, because you cannot take the 6th root of a negative number. And number 13, I can't tell what you did. Oh, okay. I'm not sure what happened here. That will be a separate video, okay?